Alright, hi, this is Josh. I guess I'm going to demonstrate how to replace an inner tube tire from a bicycle. The front tire is a hell of a lot easier than the back tire, so thank goodness. Alright, first you find the right tools, which I already did, well, sort of. This is in millimeters, but I guess it'll work. Then you loosen the two bolts here, or the two nuts from the bolt. First you that's kind of not good because this side isn't free. Oh well. Okay, since this other nut seems to be stuck or something. No, it's alright. Actually, you don't really need to take both of the nuts off, you just have to loosen them up until... Leave these on just so I don't lose them. You loosen them until these little safety lock things come out. You just pop those around. Now the wheel can come off. So first I'm going to get the kickstand. And then you have to kind of get the tire past the brake calipers. Okay. Alright. And normally you'd want to use like a flathead screwdriver or something, but all my screwdrivers are at work, so I'm using this Phillips head, this little tiny one. I guess that'll probably work. So pry this first edge off the inner rim, and then use something to put something there where I got it started, and you work your way around. Just kind of scoop it off there. Same thing they do with your automobile when they take the tire off, except they use a machine to do it. Alright, so I got the first rim off, or the first side of the tire off the rim. Now you got to pry the other side off it. Ooh. See, these, I should have replaced this whole outside tire part because it's brittle. You can see the cracks in it, but I'm going to try the $3 repair job and see if it works. Okay, so just kind of work it off. Alright, it's off. Okay, so you go ahead and take your damaged inner tube out of the tire. This thing is gone. Garbage. And get your newly acquired 26-inch inner tube. I guess I should have unpackaged this before I started making a video. I'm just bored and this. Alright. Stretch this out. Okay. I want to put a little air into it. Nah, I don't need to do that. But I'll get this out first. Alright, so you want to kind of, first of all, take the cap off of here because it won't fit back into the wheel with the cap on. Off of the nozzle there, whatever that's called. Alright, so you kind of get this into the tire while it's deflated. You don't want to try to get this on while it's inflated, or it won't, first of all, it won't clear the brake calipers here. And it's just a bad idea anyway. You will never get, if you inflate this first, you'll never get back on the rim anyway, so just kind of get this in there. And I guess even $3 is a pretty expensive project because I bought this bike for only like, oh shit, I bought this bike for only $10 at the sporting goods store, so if I can make this work, then I guess I got my money's worth. Alright, so the tube is inside the tire. It's deflated. So we're going to try to get it back on the rim. Let's see. Alright, so you want to line up the nozzle with where it's going to come through first. And I'm not sure, but what's that? Ooh, this protective rubber thing, you want to make sure that's on. Oh, maybe that's why it popped. Part of the protective rubber thing is gone. It broke. Gosh. Well, hopefully these little screws in there won't pop the tire again, because I'll just have to give it a try. So you line up the nozzle with the hole there, kind of fit it in around as far as you can get it, and take your prying tool, get it up in there, just scoop it up on. Okay. Alright, let's tap this wheel so it might just do by hand. No. I haven't done this in years, since I was a kid, I think. But yep, there we go. That was pretty easy. Alright. Now, again, you don't want to inflate the tire before you put it on, because it'll be a bitch to get it past these calipers here. So, I'm gonna get this up here and scoop it back on. Get it past the calipers. Put it. And you make sure your locks are on the outside, because that's where they go. Okay. Yeah, and the reason why it's a lot better to do the front tire is because the back tire, if you have to take that off, you have to take the whole gears, you have to take the chain off, the whole gear system, and it's a lot harder as far as I remember. Alright, so, okay, I missed a step. Before you tighten the nuts, you want to make sure that both sides are locked in, the safety things. Alright, redeploy the kickstand. Alright, tighten it back up. Wow, this is a lot easier than I thought it'd be. This is more on a lesson on why you shouldn't procrastinate for like a whole year, because you find out how easy the things that you're putting off really are, and I haven't had a bug for this long, and for just this reason, it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to do, and a few dollars, so I won't get down on myself, so I'm doing it now. Alright, so it's pretty good and tight. Well, I guess that's it, but I'll go ahead and inflate it. Why not? This is how you inflate a tire. With my brand new foot pump. I get excited about little things. So. Alright, put it in there, lock it down. See, the cool thing about having this bike is I could throw this on the front of a bus, take it down to the Blackwater Creek Trail, ride that all the way downtown, downhill, get back off the trail, and downtown, take the bus right back to my house. So I'm looking forward to that. Ooh, something's not right. Why is it? Oh, there it is. Something's not right. Okay. I don't think I got it all the way down or something. Push it.